Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is, bringing you guys yet another update on none other than XRP itself. Shout out to the XRP community for showing tremendous amount of love. Continue supporting and you will see a continuation of these updates. So we have been seeing over the last 48 hours, to be specific, we have seen quite a bit of green across the board, as we know. But today, as Monday did start, Monday did start on actually a positive note. But, Bitcoin has seen a little bit of a minor pullback within its price, which of course is going to have an impact on the altcoins. And you are starting to see only a few handful coins still, holding the momentum. But majority of the coins are seeing a little bit of a retracement, including XRP. But just a continuous reminder, on the weekly time frame and on the monthly time frame, pretty much everything seems to be up right now. But let's take a closer look at XRP, see what is happening, and of course what is yet to come. XRP's price is currently sitting at 53 cents, down about 1% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative. Market cap is just below $30 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about 1.45 billion. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So some massive news coming out today specifically. Judge approves FTX bankruptcy plan to fully repay crypto customers in cash with interest. So, people that were affected by the FTX collapse, you are, going to see these same people, get their money back, which I'm extremely, extremely happy about. And I think if this is honestly true, which it seems to be that it's true, a lot of credible websites are posting this and a lot of credible sources, this could bring in a lot of money to the crypto space, so a lot of liquidity. And we know when a lot of liquidity comes, market starts, going crazy. So this is a great news that, we need to obviously keep in mind, especially the people that have been impacted. I'm very happy, for those specific people. And, this should be a learning lesson for everyone, whether you're new or you've been in the market for quite some time. Never, never, never keep your money on the exchanges. Cannot stress this enough. Doesn't matter if it's Coinbase, doesn't matter if it's the biggest exchange in the world. You want to, have it in your own, wallet, where you hold a private keys, not these big exchanges, because you never know what can happen. And the times that we're living in with regulation, anything can happen. So you want to hold your coins. $10 trillion asset manager BlackRock says crypto is being adopted faster than the internet and mobile phones. And again, how are we surprised? This shouldn't be coming as a surprise. A few years ago, BlackRock was not even focusing on Bitcoin. And now, these traditional way investors, the ones, these big hedge funds, asset managers are starting to actually see the potential of the blockchain technology and see how the blockchain technology can revolutionize the current financial sector. Yes, you've heard that correct. And this is where tokenization comes into play. And this is where XRPL Ledger really shines. If you think there's another better, platform that is built better than XRPL Ledger, let me know in the comments down below, and we could see. But I personally think that, in terms of regulation, in terms of regulatory approval, how the landscape is changing, and what what Ripple has been able to do over the course of the last decade really shows you how serious these guys are and how much they want to take this, revolutionary technology towards the masses and change the way we do finance. So very, very interesting stuff. Of course, let me know in the comments what you guys personally think about this. And Robinhood Chief Legal Officer Dan Geller favored to replace Gary Gensler as SEC chair if Trump is elected, president. So this is, of course, according to reports. But let me know in the comments down below what you guys personally think regarding that. And speaking about bullish news, the National Bank of Bahrain introduces the country's first ever Bitcoin investment product. Here we are. We talk about flip the switch. This right here is flip the switch. You're starting to see a lot of countries, as far as crypto goes, we're starting to see so much happening for the crypto industry. Nothing like we have ever seen before. And again, if you've been in the space for 3+ years, I'm sure you guys know what I mean. The crypto market and the industry has gone mad. And the reason as to why it's going mad is because big asset managers like BlackRock, that pretty much run the stock market, are coming in. Why? They see the potential and they don't want retail, which is small investors, to get in cheap because they want these people to buy in at a higher price. But let's continue to take a look at what's happening. So, shout out to our good old friend Smoke, absolutely legend for the XRP community. If you have not subscribed, to Smoke on, of course, Twitter, what are you guys waiting for? Of course, known as X now, but you can see, can Ripple help secure the SWIFT network? And as we know, SWIFT network is the most commonly used network around the globe right now. You can see Ripple mentioned in a webinar as a potential solution to mitigate security risk on SWIFT network during a discussion about a hacker exploit that costed SWIFT $81 million. And you can see Ripple is a real-time gross settlement system currency exchange and remittance network created by the US-based technology company Ripple Labs. Purpose to enable, let's do this. Okay. Purpose to enable secure, instantly, and nearly free global financial transactions of any size with no chargebacks. Challenges the market dominance of the Society of the Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, which is of course known as SWIFT, a Belgian cooperative society that handles about half of all high-value cross-border payments worldwide. There you go. And this is where Ripple can step in and help make the network safer. Absolutely amazing. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys personally think regarding that. And speaking about crypto adoption, as I've said, we're seeing crypto adoption going absolutely crazy. You can see crypto adoption is on par with early internet adoption. And, we always see that comparison, people that were in that internet adoption era, always compare crypto to that specific era, the internet cycle, where things just absolutely went crazy, that's how crazy crypto is seen, and you're seeing the big boys are coming in and seeing the potential. And I think the next few years could be very massive. I think crypto market in general as a broader market could be massive. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys personally think. You can see global tech adoption, internet users against crypto users, and of course this is a timeline. Obviously, I never saw the internet adoption because I was very little. I think I was very little at that time. I'm sure a lot of you were as well. But if you remember that, let me know in the comments how that really was. But crypto adoption equals faster than the internet and cell phones. You're not ready how fast it will be. And, I cannot agree more with Smoke. Look how fast things are already going. Forget about, what's going to happen in the next few months to come. Look what is happening already. Look how much things have evolved. Regulation is coming to crypto. Worldwide regulation is coming to crypto. Absolutely crazy stuff. Crazy times we're living in, especially to the OGs that have been in this crypto space for quite some time. And if you're looking at Bitcoin dominance, it's sitting at 58.07%. Let's briefly take a look at what's happening with our good old friend Bitcoin. BTC obviously wicked up to $64,527 last night, but of course never managed to stay above there. You guys know the importance of that 64K level, as I've discussed countless of times. We're sitting at 62.6. Hopefully we do see a close around here. That would be great to see. Obviously you really want to see the price sitting above 64, as you guys know. Of course, XRP's price is reacting to this. We wicked all the way up to 55 cents almost, but you're sitting at 53 cents and shouldn't really be a surprise factor. We need to understand what's really happening. People tend to only focus on the price of XRP and forget what's happening with the broader market, and you cannot be doing that. But let me know in the comments what you guys personally think. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.